And let me promise you the quickest way to win. And I don't mean money, I mean win. Playing in a way that feels right to you before it feels right to anybody else around you. And I promise you that the majority of you are not. It's incredible how we are affected by the 5 or 6 closest people to us.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily make $5 right now. I don't think you need just a debit card and a phone. And what you need to want to go do is just download the Cash App. Cash App, people, is actually paying its members who signs up $5 just for using the app. So once you get the app, download it, use my code, put my code in, and what you want to do after that, you should get an icon that says send $5, receive $5. Once you get that icon, you want to send that $5 to a friend. You want to have that friend download your link, use your code, and send you the $5. Well, you send them the $5 and they send it back, and then you'll both get $5. And you just continue doing that with your friends and family members, and you can really make some real good money. So let me just show you what Cash App has paid me. I'm just show you my text. Where it's like yesterday, I told people to go do the exact same thing. Download the link using my code. Use my code. Make sure you use my code, because if you use somebody else's code, it might not work. And if you had the Cash App for a while, it still might not work. But what you could do to get the money, only thing you have to do is just share your referral link with individuals and have them send a $5 transaction, or you send $5 to them and have them send it back, so you can both receive the $5. So exactly what I tell people to do. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $30 yesterday I made for just telling people to share their link. That's all you have to do, and make the $5 transaction, of course. And the day before then, I made like $15. You see, she sent me $5. I sent it back. Boom. She got, I made $5 off from her, and she got $5. So just that simple. And all you have to do is just download the link, get the Cash App, and you know, make that $5 transaction. You see, she sent $5, and I sent it back to her. So, and then she tried to request $50. So that's exactly how it is, man. It's a easy little app. You might not get rich with it, but you can definitely make some good money with it just by sharing your app. You know what I'm saying? Maybe pay your phone bill, get some extra groceries, movie tickets, or however you want to spend your money. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.